Best mass protein out there from a company called Mutant. This is a high quality mass protein. This is clean carbs, no simple carbs, BS. This is complex carbs. This is a 15-pound, lasts you for a while. Check in the description box on the main website to get a 20% off, but they do not have the 15-pound on the website. They have the 15-pound on Amazon. I will leave that link in the description. This here, I'm telling you, 2 scoop, 1,100 calories, 56 grams of protein. And when it comes down to the BCA, glutamines, and EAAS, I'm telling you, this is all amino. Recover muscle faster, less sugar. It mixes fast. It tastes really good. I'm not trying to sell you guys this, or I'm not trying to, I didn't get paid for this or anything. I'm just letting you know it tastes amazing. You could mix it with milk or water. I prefer water. You mix it with water, it mixes so fast, it's smooth, it's tasty, delicious, and within an hour you could go ahead and eat your food. And this way you pack on more. It's not like some mass protein, you drink it and you're like all fulled up or you feel like bloated. No, not this. This bad boy does not make you feel like that. It's a high quality protein made with real food inside. Check in the description box. Just a quick little review on this. I had this. I keep buying it every single couple months when I'm out. I used to buy the 5-pound bag, but I feel like it ran out too fast, and now I'm hitting the 15 pounds from Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video on Product Zone.